มีความ
แต่จะมีงานไม่รู้ตัวแต่จะมีงานจะกินข้าวไม่รู้ตัวเลยก็เมื่อคืนในห้องเลยอ๋อเขาจำไม่ได้บอกว่าคืนไปออกมาเห็นรองเท้าต่อที่แล้วไอ้ตรงนี้คนอยากรู้เยอะไม่เคยกินข้าวก็คือเราเข้าใจกันทีนี้ก็เสร็จประมาณตีหนึ่งแล้วก็กลับห้องไปตลาดปุ๊บน้องเหมือนภาษาปุ๊บคุณแบบไม่ต้องมาคุยตัวน้องเหมือนที่ไหนเราเนี่ยสกิปตัวเช้าให้เราทำเฮ้ยใครอ่ะsunshine, you make me happy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when sky are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I'm not a princess, but you are the Prince Charming who swept one of my feet. Yeah.
Hey, who swept me off my feet?
Yeah.
Hey.
This is story by Santavan and Ka is doing the translation. I want to share how sweet Fourth is. At first, we weren't able to participate in the costume contest because there wasn't enough people. Initially, they said there would be 5 prize groups and individual, but there were only 2 groups and 5 people in total. So, Fourth actually went to the staff and asked why didn't they join and can they join actually. And he asked if I should let you go up, will you join? And he said, yeah, come on, let's do it. He brought everyone together. And I love Fourth so much. He made me feel so lucky to be his fan. After that, they allowed us to join, and the staff found three more participants for the contest. During taking photos, Jem asked, oh, hello, Interfan, what's up? Where are you from? She replied, she's from Singapore. And Jem replied, wow, you're a friend? I had no idea you were friends now. I asked Ford to look at me in the eyes for the pose, and he started laughing. Can we do it? She asked, and Ford decided to play around and put his face 3 centimeters from me and had me shocked, and we were both laughing. And Ford almost fell from the chair, and Jem started laughing as well. Staff asked to retake the photo, and Ford kept laughing, and it made me laugh too. Took the photo, then when I walked out, everyone was still laughing. This is so cute. So they were ready to go, but there was one person who had not returned their key card, and they were asking who was it, who can secretly return it, you will not be there, blah blah. What happened was Fourth was actually the one who hadn't returned it, and then they were panicking. Ki what happened? Where is the key card? Who hadn't come here? So OP is wearing a skirt, and when she went, she walked by, and they said hello. She made eye contact, and then they said, "Yeah, I'm wearing the skirt." Jem asked if she was comfortable, and if they can use a pillow to cover her up if she wants. And then they took the photo, and then Jem also asked her, "Ki, please walk carefully. You are in a skirt," and it's just wholesome interaction. It's from Google, so it's not edited right. This is something Gemini said, which is that no matter what you face tomorrow, whether it's work, traffic jam, pollution, or whatever, I understand that waking up and going to work is hard, and waiting for Friday is even harder. It takes a long time, but we will fight together. I'm here for you, Gemini. This is just another example of how much Gemini loves sport. During the evening game, they were competing, asking questions, and they were lucky winners. They can answer each other's side. So Gemini team has an higher score, and Gem was helping actually fourth side to have the answer and to actually win, get it correct. And there was another part where they were competing amongst themselves, and then also Gem was helping both because Gem was answering right. So they could get the same score, and ultimately it was about Gem for relationship and how close they are. And it was both exciting and must at the same time. Another photo briefing moment. So I said to make a certain pose, and they said they will do it on the cheeks and then they will do it on this cheek. So they were discussing what to do, and I was shocked and I was like, no, put it on my cheek. And Jem said, oh, and they were laughing because it was a wholesome moment. And then Fo said, okay, put it on my cheek and then put the hands on another person. So it was like a lot chaotic and everyone was laughing and they were like, Jamna for teasing the person. Got to have a private talk. I vaguely remember everything because she was about to cry and she was the first one. And Jemfo listened very intensely and they were making eye contact and they were very attentive. And I have one sentence that I think is very similar and it suits them very well. That if they were not an artist, I would not be their fan and we would not have met, which is so true. She then goes on to say that thank you so much, Gemfort, for being here. Thank you for coming in and making our day better. It really hates us, it really hurts us every day. And I want you to know that there are still people who love you and who are always there no matter what is happening. And I want Gemfort not to think about the haters. There are many people who will love you. I will continue to work hard like this. I always make support. And like a little sister, they said goodbye to me. They said goodbye, little sister. This is a very long speech and she can't remember everything, but this is the context. So OP started the talk by asking about their health. Is your ankle and your leg better? And they said it is. And she said thank you so much for yesterday and today. It was healing trip. It was very good and they said thank you. And they noticed she had a tattoo on their arm, so they said wow, it's really good. And she said Jemput is the same. I want to know that no matter what, we will be there for you. And yeah, you have wings and you have the strength, you have the courage to succeed. And then Jem made a flying gesture and he said, "Okay, thank you so much." And Force was like, "I intend to create happiness like this only." And she said, "I really love Gemfort. I'm so glad. I am a real Gemfort fan." And she was literally in tears. And they both said thank you and then they parted ways. It's private talk to Gemini 4th. How was the fan chant last night? Did you like it? Fan chant? Yeah, I liked it. I liked it. Thank you. It's like the first step of becoming an artist. It literally awakens the artist in me. When I finished speaking, my little sister laughed as well. She smiled and they looked happy and they were so emotional. I wanted to support their dream for a long time. I'm glad to be part of Gemini's smile. I want to keep this smile for a long time. I want them to be happy and smile every day. Nomforth's smile is very beautiful and it's very suitable for playing in a play. He said, "Oh, thank you. Play a stage play. I want to do it. I want to try." "Oh, really? Then you should try it." And Forth said, "Wait and see. I will definitely act in a stage play." And then she was very happy. And she was like, "Yeah, my child, do it. And you've been working hard very lately. Have you gotten to relax?" They said, "Yeah, we have gotten to relax. What's your name?" And then they shared their name. And then they asked, "Did you come to see the concert?" And he said, "Yeah, I came both days." They were very happy hearing this. And they were like, "Yeah, they too. We went all out. We were so happy and everyone was so excited." Then he said, "Thank you so much. I really liked it. Both of you are very talented." And then staff actually came and said, "It's time up." So they both said thank you and parted ways. But it's so wholesome. So we started and she said, "I know you're having a rough time and things aren't really okay, but it will pass." If you're not on TikTok, Gemini has been dealing with a lot. He's getting a lot of hate for no reason and it's affecting his mental health and he talked to a doctor as well. So that's the context. And I will be always there for you no matter what happens. I will support you both forever. And OP said that, "Yeah, I'm not going to cry, I'm just excited." But she quickly changed the topic and she was like, "Okay, yeah, leave that. Let's just move on to happier things." And then they said, "What perfume are you wearing?" And Ford said, "Does it smell nice?" She said, "Yeah, it smells really nice." He said, "I use LV." So yesterday what happened was when they came to take the picture, she could smell it faintly, but today the scent was very strong and she loved the smell. So she was like, "Okay, I need to know what was there." And Mapui also said that Fourth loves to spray perfume on him. So that's pretty much it. I thanked them and I felt like it wasn't 1 minute, it was very long time. I wanted to say so much, but the words couldn't get out. And I think we all as fans can see how it will be. And yeah, I love Jump Force and I never regretted it for a single day. And when I walked back, we all sat in a circle and this happened. So after the five lucky winners had their talk, everyone came together. They were sharing experiences. They were telling what the Gemford told them, and they all cried. And it was such an emotional moment. Everyone was crying, and this is the picture attached. This is a review, and I think it sums up everything perfectly. Thank you, Monchon. This trip will never be forgetful. It was so much fun. Thank you for making us so feel so lucky, and not just our setter. Was impressive moment until we left. And the team took great care of us, and it was very good service. Thank you for 30 lucky winners who joined the trip. Everyone must be older siblings. When we arrived, we didn't know anyone. She only knew two friends personally, but everyone was so lovely and so friendly. They did not feel awkward. And finally, the most important thing is to say thank you to Jem Fourth for having chatting with them, enjoying with them, and going all out and being with the lucky winners and everything. They said that they hope this trip would heal everyone, right? And it did heal everyone, and we will always support you. We love you so much.
ขอซัพพอร์ตระดับจริงที่อยู่ตรงนี้ครับมีอะไรอยากจะบอกทุกท่านนะครับติดท่านอยู่ตรงนี้ครับครับก็สัมผัสได้ว่ารู้สึกว่าเป็นคนที่ติดตามพวกเราจริงๆครับเล่นเกมจริงๆก็บางทีพวกเราก็จำไม่ได้หรอกผมลืมแต่ว่าเขาจำได้หมดเลยรู้จักพวกเราดีกว่าอีกได้นะก็สัมผัสได้ถึงความแบบความเทคแคร์ความซัพพอร์ตความดูแลเอาใจใส่อะไรเงี้ยการทำอะไรเงี้ยก็ขอบคุณมากนะครับที่อ่า ที่เขาบอกว่าผมเป็นความสุขให้เขาอะไรอย่างเงี้ยแล้วผมรู้สึกว่าเขาก็เป็นความสุขให้ผมเหมือนกันในทุกวันในการทำงานอย่างเงี้ยครับก็อยากจะอ่าอยากจะเป็นความสุขให้กันและกันอย่างนี้ไปเรื่อยๆนะครับผมก็ไม่มีอะไรบอกครับรักครับคนไม่ทำตัวหน่อยพี่เจมส์นะครับ
ก็เหมือนที่โพสต์พูดไปเลยครับก็หลายๆคนในนี้น่าจะเห็นได้ตามกันหมดนะครับผ ได้เจอกันในเลยนะก็ดีใจที่ยังรักแล้วก็ยังซัพพอร์ตกันเรื่อยๆนะครับแล้วก็มีอีกหลายๆผลงานด้านหน้าให้ติดตามนะก็ฝากด้วยนะครับแล้วก็เหมือนที่ผมพูดแหละรักทุกคนมากๆครับแล้วก็ผมชอบข้อความมากคือรักที่แฟนโพสไม่เคยเสียใจสักวันผมรู้สึกภูมิใจ
แต่เสีย
แต่เสียใจ
ยอมไหมยอมนะคะ
คือที่เราทำทุกวันนี้ถ้าที่เราทำงานทุกวันนี้ก็เพื่อเราเติมเต็มความหมายของตัวเองด้วยแล้วก็เพื่อให้ทุกคนมีความสุขด้วยก็ถ้าทุกคนมีความสุขในการติดตามเรามีรอยยิ้มในการติดตามเราจะดีใจก็อยากให้อยู่ต่อเรื่อยๆนะครับ